Hey everyone, my name is Andy Schmidbauer. I'm doing my very first unboxing video here, so bear with me as I struggle through this. It's the first one for me. I just received in the mail from USPS what I think is going to be my Arrow smartwatch. I haven't peeked yet, so this may never see the light of day. But I invested in the Indiegogo Fund Me campaign over a year and a half ago, and they were supposed to come out with it in December, and then it was December of last year, then it was going to be February, then it was going to be June, July, August, and then we got that update in December that said, hey, we're going to ship them, but we need $30 from everybody again. So I went ahead and sent it in on December 19th, and it's January 12th, and I've just gotten this in the mail, so looking forward to doing that. In the meantime, I bought this other one. It's not an expensive one either. It's a cheapie. This is a Lem 7. It's a Chinese brand, and it's just pretty good. It's okay. But you get what you pay for. So it's also got a little video camera on it as well. So without further ado, let's jump into this one. Okay, so let's do it. Let's get going on this thing. Parcel Select out of Chicago Fulfillment Center. USPS tracking EVS. Arrow, so that's a good sign right there. That means that we at least have the right package. So we'll put that aside. I'm going to guess that's my extra band that I ordered. Packing slip. Arrow smartwatch, silicone band, red. That sounds about right so far. Yep, I can't even recall which band I ordered. I know it was either the white band or the metal one at one point. So I'll have to look at my order and see what we got there. Packing. It's got some weight to it. It's not light. It kind of has a matte finish here, a golden leaf kind of pattern there. And let's go ahead and take the top off of this thing. Slides off nice and smooth. And there she is. Yeah, okay. That's it. That's the Arrow smartwatch here. Go ahead and lift that off. And that is a big lady. That's big. Wow. That's gotta be, so I've got, in the meantime, I told you I bought the other smartwatch, which was a Lem 7. I thought that was kind of thick. But if we look and put those together next to each other, I'm going to say that the Arrow's about a third thicker. And it's got some weight to it, that's for sure. It's cold to the touch because it's, I guess it's metal here. So, and I think this camera's supposed to rotate. It does. It has a good feel, pretty solid, and it kind of clicks with every rotation. So if you're looking to rotate while you take the video, I'm going to bet that you're going to get some jiggle there, simply because it's got a clicking kind of mechanism, as there might be a little ball bearing in there that kind of clicks through or something like that. So I'll put that down. But yeah, that's a big boy. Back of it says Founders Edition, rotatable camera, Arrow smartwatch 00268, 5 megapixel 360 rotatable camera, Founders Edition, made in China. It feels pretty durable, but it's a big boy. So let's go on to the what's rest of in the box here. We've got another box that says User's Guide in it, and then we have data cable as well. So let me check out the User's Guide here. And we have nothing in the User's Guide box. We're empty, so we might be just using this ourselves or trying to do some Googling a little later today, but you can pretty much see right through there. Data cable. This one does feel like it's got a data cable in it, and it looks like it's got what could be considered a user's manual. So that's cool. Alright, so it's here. So we've got the operating instructions there. We'll put that aside. Let's empty this bad boy out here. Looks like the data cable that they said was in there. This is like the saucer charger here, so it's going to sit on here in some capacity to charge up, I'm going to guess. Looks like it's some kind of wireless charge. I don't see any nodes like the back of my LEM 7 has. We got some red items in here as well. Notice that it does look like I got the black band one. I'm not sure. I'll have to check my order, but I'm pretty sure I'm probably hosed on that one, just based on how late this is. This looks like little screwdrivers that we could take off the back of the watch if we wanted to, possibly, or work on it. I don't know. Some tools to work on it. So, looking okay here. Probably not my style. I'm a pretty small person, so this thing is going to look like a behemoth on my wrist, I'm sure. And it does. I mean, this is just he's a monster. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I don't like to have that kind of profile. That's going to get snagged everywhere. But to each their own. Some people may really want this. I was one of the, I think one of the first, not first, but once the Indiegogo campaign came out, I was fairly certain that I would love this because of the design. And I know that around 3/4 of the way through, they changed up the design on this, and I wasn't really a fan of it, but I already paid my money, so there wasn't much of an opportunity I had to change it at that point. So we'll see what happens there. Let's see here. I'm gonna hope this is at least the red silicone. It does look like it is the other band. I'll probably put the red one on here because this thing grabs enough attention already. We might as well go the whole route and get some more attention with the red at some point. Oh yeah, these screwdrivers, they look like they probably fit in right here to unscrew the band. So enough of this. Let's see if we can turn this bad boy on. Let's see what's going on here. I think this one looks like the power button. And I think they said, well, I'm not sure. I think they said there was a second film on this. I took the first film off, but I don't want to do any damage. I don't really see any second film unless it's just on here really sharply. I think I'll be able to tell more once the power's on. It doesn't look like we've got a battery here that is charged. Oh, okay. Wait, maybe we do. Okay. So here it comes. Or I thought it was. Let's see. Oh, here it comes. All right, so we got a little animation here in Chinese. Flip that around so you all can see it. And I know there's a YouTube video for how to change the language from Chinese. I haven't had the patience to watch it yet, so I'm probably going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and then I'm going to come back and go ahead and go through some of these things here as soon as I figure out what the heck I'm doing. Alright, but so far it looks like we're okay. It's a real thing. It's a real product. So thank you guys.